So now let us discuss the nature of Congress dominance. India is not the only country to have experienced the dominance of one party. But there is a crucial difference between other countries and Indian experience. In the rest of the cases, the dominance of one party was ensured by compromising democracy. In some countries like China, Cuba, Syria, the constitution permits only a single party to rule the country. Others like Myanmar, Belarus, Egypt, Eritrea are effectively one party states due to military and legal measures. Now they are saying India is not only country which has actually experienced one party dominance. Even in world there were other countries who were actually experiencing one party dominance. But then how was the experience of Indian one party dominance and other countries one party dominance different? See, in India actually, even if Congress was making majority of seats, we did had another different parties, right? We had many different parties. If you will go through this image which is on page number 31 according to your textbook, you will find out that in the 1952 to 1967, okay, in the general elections, how many parties were there? Okay, INC, we have CPI, SP, PDF, GP. So these are all abbreviations of different parties and how many seats were secured by each party. So this is one major difference if we compare the one party system of India and other countries. So in India it was actually a democratic form of government, while in other countries there was compromising democracy. See, if there is only one party, okay, and if there is election, that is quite obvious that this party will only regain seats, right? वही party बार बार जीतेगी. Also, if there is military kind of a rule, then also one party states are there due to military and legal measures which is there in Myanmar, which were there in Myanmar, Belarus, Egypt. Okay, until a few years ago, Mexico, South Korea and Taiwan were also effectively one party dominant states. They were saying recently also, like if we go few years back, so even these countries, Mexico, South Korea, Taiwan, they were also effectively one party dominant states. So what was the major difference among Indian among the Indian one party system and other countries one party system? It was in India democratic conditions were there. Many parties contested elections. The Indian condition was similar to the dominance of the African National Congress in South Africa after the end of apartheid. Okay, so it means in South Africa they also gained democratic form of government, but after few years, that is after apartheid situation end there. So even they had African National Congress which actually ruled for quite a long period of time, but democracy was there nonetheless, and there was healthy competition among other parties as well. The roots of extraordinary success was due to the fact that this party was in force from our freedom struggle. So the answer is that why was only Congress dominating in the three general elections back to back? Answer is that Congress was a party which was formed around the freedom struggle movement. So all the even members of the Congress party who represented the Congress party were quite familiar to the people, and they took part in the freedom struggle. So that is why they gained more votes. Also, the other parties in comparison to the Congress in India were formed quite a little late, so they could not attract that much voting system in comparison to our Congress system. Many of our leaders controlled elections as Congress candidates and won the elections. Thus, it did not affect adversely the democratic system but strengthened it. Okay, so we cannot say that our Indian system was actually dominating and there was a military rule or there were no choices between the democratic parties. No, there were enough choices between democratic party. Everything was fairly done, controlled by the election commission, but Congress won majority of the seats because of it as a party formed quite early in comparison to the other parties. All right, also there can be a question, did the prevalence of one party dominant system affect adversely the democratic nature of Indian politics? So here is the answer, and you will say no, it did not affected the democratic politics because it was done in a fair manner. Other parties were also there. It had a good healthy competition and it gained more number of seats because it was formed much earlier than other parties. Okay, so these points can be referred for this answer.